full Brabus build. It's lowered on 24-inch wheels. I think it's one of the nicest Brabus builds that we've done so far. Today we got a crazy build, one of my favorites, a brand new 2023 Mercedes Benz GLS 63 full Brabus build. So we have a bunch of carbon accents, front lip, bumper scoops, grille, fender flares, rear diffuser. Car is a natural beast. It's lowered on 24-inch wheels, aftermarket Brabus forged wheels. We did a custom two-tone center cap. We also painted the wheels white to match the color of the car. We also did a full black trim package, window moldings, rockers, front grille, roof rails, all the emblems all around. We also did the door handles in body color. So we just got rid of all the chrome, added the full Brabus kit. Everything is added on. Flares get replaced. Diffusers are replacement. All the front end stuff is just add on. Car is super sick. Brabus logos front and rear. I think it's one of the nicest Brabus builds that we've done so far because you guys are so used to the G63s, but this one was nice for a change. GLS 63 full Brabus. Hope you guys enjoy.